Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both platforms so the connection will be smooth. Sign into Shopify, enable any required sales channel or API access, and make sure you have admin rights. Etsy needs a verified seller profile with payment and tax info. Once done, export or compile product SKUs, variant options, images, inventory counts, shipping profiles, and tax categories because you will map these fields next. This prevents mismatches. Make sure product titles and descriptions are consistent. They become the basis for listings on Etsy. Now choose how to connect. Use the official Shopify Etsy app, a third-party connector like a middleware, or prepare CSV exports for manual upload. Install the app and authenticate both Shopify and Etsy accounts. Grant required permissions. Next, map fields so Etsy listings reflect Shopify, title, SKU, price, inventory, shipping profile, tags, and images. Once mapping is set, configure sync rules, choose inventory source of truth, enable price adjustments if needed, and set order routing so orders flow. Finish by publishing a small batch of test listings and placing a test order so you can verify inventory decrement, order notifications, and shipping settings. If something goes wrong, inspect SKU mismatches first. They are the usual culprit, then check image size limits and that Etsy shipping profiles match. Also watch for API rate limits if syncing many items. Use the integration app's logs and support tools, revert the test listings if needed, and iterate until sync behaves predictably across both platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.